Now another question we get a lot when it comes to a floor, and typically it's a floor, maybe an older one that had carpet on it, is what do I do with the tack strip hole? And this floor doesn't actually have tack strip hole, so just pretend with me really quick. But what the tack strip is what holds the carpet down. And typically what happens after you remove the tack strip, you'll have a dot, 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 dot. It'll be like about the size of a quarter all the way around the edge of your floor. So how do you hide that? Well, there's a couple ways to hide it. One way is to prep your entire floor, and then before you stain it, first off, you fill the tack strip hole with that Cementol product, and remember it does stain a little bit differently, but I like to kind of do a border where you tape off a border. Use something like frog tape that gives a good crisp line, but tape out a border beyond your tack strip hole, and then put a coat of stain down right here. Pull your tape and then stain the entire floor. And what you'll do is you'll get a darker border with a good clean edge. Now that's one way to do it. The second way to do it is to tape it off, fill your tack strip holes with the Cementol product, make sure they're flush, and then take another cementatious product that they use for like overlays on driveways. It's like a skim coat product. You can find that at Home Depot too. And just put on a thin layer of that skim coat product right here. And now you've got, and it's not going to be that tall, it's going to be less than a credit card inch thick, so don't worry about thickness too much. But you've got a nice little border, and it's going to stain differently all the way around the corner, and it'll hide the tack strip well, the hole really well.